Is back home, but her daughter is still in the hospital. Police say the daughter's ex-boyfriend stabbed them. News Channel 5's John Shaman spoke with the woman who says it was a fight for their lives.
He was trying to kill us.
Janice Prieto is just out of the hospital. She awoke Tuesday to the sounds of a fight between her 15-year-old daughter Ariel and her 17-year-old ex-boyfriend.
Well, I heard Ariel yell, "What are you doing?"
The teen, who Prieto says broke into the home, came out of the back bedroom where her two daughters slept and confronted her.
He just had a determined look on his face. Next thing I know, I'm stabbed in the throat.
Janice suffered a number of stab wounds and bruises. Ariel was stabbed repeatedly in the abdomen, one cut puncturing her heart.
And I got my hand on his arm. I knew he was going to kill me if I didn't get that knife from him.
She succeeded, but this massage therapist is out of action for a while. After Janice and the teen's confrontation ended here, that teen then tried to get back into the bedroom where the two girls were.
Just the whole time I was just holding the lock with like a death grip.
12-year-old Amanda Prieto was on the phone with 911 trying to keep the teen away. She braced one foot on her bed.
And then I had another one over here, so I was almost in like a split.
Eventually, the teen ran off and was later caught by police. Now Janice can refocus on her daughter's health.
She's a gorgeous girl. I'm really upset.
In the coming days, prosecutors will determine if the stabbing suspect will be charged as an adult. In Fort Pierce, John Shaman, WPTV News Channel 5.